Let me help you out. Alright, so this brand is on 30% off. Yeah, it's going on a sale.
This one is a bit too strong. Do you have a lighter one?
Sure, just a minute. So what about this one? Is it still strong for you?
This is perfect. Yeah, I'll take it.
Yeah, please wait for a moment while I get you a new one. Must be out of stock. Here you go. Thank you. See you again.
Thank you. This is strange. It smells diluted. Gosh! Wow, new phone?
Yeah, I just bought it 3 days ago. And a piece of garbage.
Why? What happened?
Nothing happened. I didn't drop it. I didn't mishandle it or anything.
What?
But the phone can't seem to work properly. The software keeps lagging. How about the app? Can't even launch. And the camera keeps giving me blurry pictures. And the battery died just 3 hours after being charged.
That's weird. I have the same phone, but I don't have any problem with it. Sounds like you bought a lemon.
Huh?
A lemon is a defective product. It could have been that the salesperson was not aware of the defects. There are many cases of retailers purposely pushing the defective items to customers.
What can I do?
I guess I have just the right solution for you.
Here at CASE, we are committed to protecting consumers' rights. If you feel that you're a victim of unfair trade practices, remember, you are not alone. Depending on the circumstances and severity of the complaint, CASE offers the following 2 options. First, we have the assisted scheme. In this scenario, CASE officers will assist in drafting a letter that acts as a communication platform between you and the retailer. This letter will address the concerns and desired outcomes for the consumer. And with the implementation of the Lemon Law on 1st September 2012, which now strengthens consumer protection in Singapore, consumers now have more options.
Now, when a consumer buys the goods from a retailer, once the goods are delivered to the consumer, there is a defect. That is where it becomes a lemon. If the defect occurred within the first 6 months, it is assumed that the defect is caused by the retailer. If it happens after 6 months of delivery, consumer must show that the defect was caused by the retailer before the retailer is made liable. Once there's a defect, the consumer has got 4 choices. First, he can ask for a repair or a replacement. Now, if repair or replacement is not possible or is not suitable, then he can ask for a reduction in price. If negotiation fails, then we will arrange for mediation by our case mediation center. There, our 2 mediators who are volunteers will try to mediate over the case. If there's no success, then case will recommend to the consumer to go to the small claims tribunal. So a decision will be made by the referee, and the decision of the referee is binding on both parties.
Once the letter has been drafted, the consumer can then present that letter to the retailer, which will facilitate discussions to an outcome that is ideal for both the consumer and the retailer. There is also the file a case scheme, where the presented complaint will be followed up solely by case officers with no need for consumers' intervention. Case officers will seek to arrive on an amicable solution by communicating with retailers on the consumer's behalf. Should the matter reach a stalemate, our officer will advise the consumer on his or her available options, such as mediation, going to small claims tribunal, or other legal options. We listen, we educate, and we protect. Case is more than just a helping hand, so reach out to us.
Thank you, Case.
Case? Hello.